Hey guys, I am back with another hair tutorial. This is gonna be how I do a twist out. So yeah, it's been a while. My hair has gotten so long since I cut it, what, about almost 2 years ago. Wow. I'm just showing y'all how long my hair done got. Now I'm just brushing my hair out, getting all the tangles and stuff out. Now I'm just spritzing some water on my hair to get it all wet for this twist out. And this step is very, very important for a twist out because it will give you the most defined curls after your hair dries. Now I'm just putting a part where I want my hair to be parted at. And I used to do twist outs all the time. It is a great, great, great protective hairstyle if you're trying to stay away from using heat on your hair. Now for the twist out, I'm going to be using the African Pride Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner, and this stuff is so amazing. It is so great for a twist out because it is lightweight and it doesn't weigh your hair down. And now I'm just going to start twisting my hair. On this one twist right here, I didn't do that good of a job, but you can kind of see how I'm over, under, over, under. I'm not that good at explaining stuff, so just bear with me. And now I'm just taking the end of my hair and like twisting it around into like kind of like a bantu knot. Then I'm just gonna pin it down with a bobby pin. Now with this twist, you will see that I do a hell of a lot better job on it because it's easier to do it on my right side because I'm right-handed. So yeah. You see how much better that looks? Also, when you're doing a two-strand twist, it's important to make sure you keep the hair tight while you're twisting, so you'll have that defined twist once it's dried. And depending on how curly you want your hair to be once it's dried, it depends on how many sections you have parted to twist, if you get what I'm saying. So I only did like I think 6 parts, so it wouldn't be as curly as if I would have done like 8 or more. And I'm just gonna keep twisting until all my hair is all twisted up. And now I'm all done twisted. This is how it looks, looking like Harriet Tubman. Now I'm just gonna put my mesh net on my hair, and this will protect my hair from like rubbing against the scarf or whatever, and it's gonna allow airflow for my hair to dry overnight. And then I put a satin scarf on my head for when I go to sleep. And now it's the next morning. My hair wasn't completely dried all the way, so I had to grab a blow dryer. I should have actually done it last night before I laid down, but oh freaking well. So I'm just gonna take a few minutes to put some heat on my head. Now I'm just taking all the bobby pins out, and actually my hair still wasn't all the way dry, but I had to go to work, so it was what it was. Now I'm just using the ORS Hairepair coconut oil and baobab. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'll use that for when I untwist my hair, so it will prevent frizz. And now I'm just fluffing the roots out to get rid of the lines that are visible. Now I'm just like splitting the middle sections to you know, buff the curls out, but you don't want to do too much because then it'll just look frizzy. This is the final product. Now I'm just gonna put some Murray's edge wax on my edges to get them on fleek. This stuff is super cheap. It's only $4 and it doesn't build up, it doesn't flake. Like, I love this stuff. But yeah, I forgot to do an outro. This is the final look, y'all. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.